Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Travel with ToniAnn, and today I'll be sharing with you my recent visit to one of the most influential record stores in Jamaica, and that is Rockers International, located in downtown Kingston on Orange Street. And this record store has a rich cultural history, which I'll be sharing with you. But before I get into my visit, let's talk about the history of record shops in Jamaica. Now let's start with the early years. In the early mid 20th century, Jamaica music scene was heavily influenced by jazz, rhythm and blues, and other genres from the United States. As vinyl records became the dominant format of distributing music globally, Jamaicans began to import records from abroad, particularly the US and the UK. Here comes the birth of Jamaican music industry. In the late 1950s and early 1960s, Jamaica witnessed the emergence of its own music industry and the rise of ska, which was precursor to reggae. Record labels like Studio One, Treasure Isle, and Federal Records began to produce and distribute Jamaican music on vinyl records. This led to the establishment of the first record stores specializing in Jamaican music. The golden era of reggae happened between the 1960s and the 1970s, and this saw the golden era of reggae music, with artists such as Bob Marley, Peter Tosh, and Jimmy Cliff gaining international acclaim. Vinyl record stores in Jamaica played a pivotal role in promoting and selling Jamaican music both locally and internationally. These stores became gathering places for music enthusiasts and played a crucial role in shaping the reggae culture. Then we had the sound system culture. The sound system culture was where DJs played music at parties or events using powerful sound systems, and this flourished in Jamaica during this period. Vinyl record stores would supply DJs with the latest releases and exclusive dub plates, contributing to the development of a new music style like dub and dancehall. Then there became a decline in vinyl sales with the advent of new technologies like cassette tapes, CDs, and digital downloads in the late 20th century. Vinyl records saw a decline in sales globally, and this included Jamaica. Many record stores closed down or they diversified their offerings by adapting to the change in consumer preferences. However, in the recent years, we have seen a lot of people going back to the old vinyl days, including myself. I must admit, I definitely want to get a record player and a vinyl, and I've been trying to see what I can collect around the space. My father actually has a whole storeroom full of vinyls that he packed away a couple years ago. I hope I can resurrect them and use them and go through them. So I'll be doing a little video around that, so stay tuned for that. So let's talk a little bit about Rockers International. Rockers International was started in 1976 by Augustus Pablo. He was a Jamaican roots and reggae dub producer. His album King Tubby Meets Rockers Uptown, released in 1976, is often regarded as one of his most important examples of dub. Pablo worked with Bob Marley, Delroy Wilson, Jacob Miller, Horace Andy, and the Heptones, to name a few. Unfortunately, Augusta Pablo died as a result of a collapsed lung on May 18, 1999. But his legacy still lives on with his music and his record store, Rockers International. His children actually helped play a major role in promoting his store. Rockers International is located at 135 Orange Street in downtown Kingston. You can use Google Maps to find it. That's how I ended up finding it. There's no official parking there. You just go there and park wherever there's free parking. I met up with Mitch. He's the manager. He runs the record store. A special shout out to him because he gave me a really good interview speaking about the history of the record store and just music in general. Rockers International sells a wide variety of vinyls, mainly old school, from ska, reggae, 80s to 90s dancehall, both new and used, but mostly they have rare vinyls that are no longer in distribution. So that's where you go and find rare vinyls that are no longer distributed. So I ended up visiting Rockers International on a Friday afternoon. They usually have an event called Rockers Friday. Alright. You're not going to give me a tutorial? You hold it like this?
Yeah. So try not to make it angle on the surface.
Still breathing down, Bobby. I'm so short, I guess. And then you go like this, right?
No, that's a stush, you know. So this is the start. Our first thing is an album. LP, long play. So I play on 33.
I don't know what that means. What's the difference between 33 and 45?
Because a long playing album, you play it on a slower speed.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is a start and stop button. So you can either start it, or if you want, you can hold it like this. Carry it.
Yeah.
So look now. So right at the front, it's a smooth part. Then it's like the groove start there.
That's the whole. That's the whole song.
Yeah.
Me know
So you
something.
put the smooth part and make it run go in. Now
But yeah.
the lines are the separation between the songs, between each song.
Okay.
So where the line is, that's where this song finishes and the other song starts.
Okay.
Yeah. So.
And if it's 45, is
the
smaller one.
Yeah.
Okay, you have 2 LP, the large one and the small one.
Yeah. Two records.
Two
big
records.
one is an LP or an album. The small one is a single.
Single.
Yeah.
We never know that.
But you have
just
some
listen
big
them.
ones like this, what they call Disco 45.
Okay.
They're big like this, but it's only 1 or 2 songs on it.
And it's 2 sides.
Yeah.
8.
But
Me
they
know
play
some.
at 45 speed.
Okay.
That's why I name Disco 45.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is a long playing album. And you can count the tracks. The album is normally 3 or more tracks.
Okay.
Yeah. You
So it's press it play.
Take your eagle and put it at the front.
No sustush, yes so.
Yeah. Take your time, carry it down. Yeah, go on good so far.
Okay. And what is do?
Well, this now is like speed of
Oh.
for instance. Okay.
And what them here?
This have to do like if the weight on the turntable this. So the turn is kind of make sure the record like is heavy up close. So sit down on the record.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, like it can clamp it like, okay.
Say me not like them kind of Babylon. Say me not dig them kind of wicked man. For I am a righteous Rastaman, and I am a dread one-eyed man. I and I go beat down Babylon. I and I go beat down Babylon.
So this is high frequency.
Okay.
Beat them wicked men. Oh, what a wicked situation. The youth them starving for salvation. This might cause a revolution, and then dangerous pollution. I and I must meet down the Babylon.
Oh, me I wear the shirt.
I must whip them wicked men.
Babylon.
I and I must meet down Babylon. I and I must whip.
This happens every Friday where you can go there with your vinyl, you can spin. They have vinyls there that they will allow you to spin and just play your music and have a good time. It's a nice little vibe, you know, just listening to all different type of music and genres. It's really like a melting, bubbling spot of downtown, and that is where the birth of vinyl stores happen, because there's actually another vinyl store up the road, which is Prince Buster vinyl store. So Orange Street is just that liveliness, and you can go there, hold a vibe, chill. It also has a merch store. Actually wearing one of their shirts, so they have a merch store where they sell shirts, they sell collectible items, and it's a good place to check out. They also ship to you if you want. I'll leave their number in the description, as well as their website to find their merch store. And it was a great vibe, and I definitely look forward to going there and purchasing a nice vinyl for my setup. And there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, for all your latest travel Jamaican content. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.